If you're thinking about investing in Mojo Helpdesk for your team, there are a few things you need to know first. While it stands out in the helpdesk software space, it's important to consider how it compares to its competitors and if it's the right fit for your business. Stick around to find out if this is the right tool for you. First off, Mojo Helpdesk is known for its clean and easy to use interface. If you're tired of complex software that requires a steep learning curve, Mojo keeps things simple. Unlike competitors like Freshdesk or Zendesk, Mojo offers a more straightforward experience, so your team can start using it right away without needing hours of training. Next, Mojo's ticket management system is solid. It allows you to track customer issues and assign them to team members with ease. You'll get a centralized hub for all customer inquiries, similar to other platforms like Zoho Desk. However, Mojo sets itself apart by offering a more cost-effective solution for small to mid-sized businesses, which is a big plus compared to more expensive options like Zendesk. The third thing you should know is about its integration options. While Mojo integrates well with a handful of tools, it's not as extensive as some of the bigger players in the market. If you're looking for deep integration with CRMs or project management tools, you might find other help desk solutions like Freshdesk or HubSpot more appealing. Next up, let's talk about the pricing. Mojo Helpdesk is very budget-friendly, making it a great choice for businesses just starting with help desk software. It offers a range of plans, including a free tier, which is rare among the competition. However, once you start growing and need more advanced features, you'll quickly realize that other software, like Zendesk, might provide more scalability. The fifth thing to consider is its reporting features. Mojo offers standard reporting tools, but it doesn't have the same depth as some of its competitors. If you're a data-driven business that needs detailed insights into customer satisfaction and team performance, you might find other solutions like Zoho Desk or Freshdesk better suited to your needs. The sixth thing is automation. Mojo does include basic automation tools, such as automatic ticket routing and replies. But it doesn't have the robust workflows and automations that platforms like Freshdesk or Zendesk offer. So, if automation is a priority for your business, this may be a limitation. Now let's talk about support. Mojo provides customer support, but it doesn't offer the same 24/7 support that competitors like Zendesk or Freshdesk provide. If you're running a business that operates around the clock, this might be something to keep in mind. Next thing to know is the mobile app. Mojo Helpdesk offers a mobile app, but it's not as feature-rich as some of its competitors. If you need access to advanced ticket management or reporting on the go, platforms like Freshdesk have more comprehensive mobile options. The ninth thing is customizability. Mojo Helpdesk is fairly customizable, but if you're looking for deep customization, you may find competitors like Zendesk or Zoho Desk more versatile. Mojo allows for custom fields and simple branding, but more complex setups may require workarounds. The 10th thing to consider is its knowledge base feature. Mojo Helpdesk offers a knowledge base, but again, it's more basic compared to other solutions. If you need a robust self-service option for customers, you might want to check out Zendesk or Freshdesk for their more advanced knowledge base features. The 11th thing is user feedback. Mojo generally has positive reviews for ease of use and affordability, but some users note that it lacks advanced features like reporting or automation that could help larger teams. It's best suited for small to medium-sized businesses looking for a simple, cost-effective help desk solution. And lastly, Mojo Helpdesk offers a free trial, which is a great way to test it out before committing. But if you're looking for something with more features and flexibility, check out our recommended solution, which offers a more comprehensive range of tools and a free trial as well. Overall, Mojo Helpdesk is a solid choice for small to medium businesses that need an affordable and easy-to-use help desk solution. But if you want something with more advanced features and scalability, be sure to check out our recommended alternative.